Share screen, huh? Wait. Let me.
इतना टाइप करना पड़ेगा।
तुम कल रात शाम को मेरे पे इतना जोर से चिल्लाना अच्छी बात है ना?
मैं वही वेट कर रहा था।
हाँ, इसीलिए मैं नहीं बोल रही कुछ।
मैं वही वेट कर रहा था।
हाँ, नहीं बोलना मुझे, इसलिए बात ही नहीं करना।
इनने सिम्बा के लिए इंटरप्ट करी, इनके साथ ही स्वामी भी इंटरप्ट करा। वो आवाज उसकी खोल रही थी, ताना रहने दो, छोड़ो ना। इन दोनों की यदि मैं सुनता, चिल्ली बैठता, वो भी इंटरप्ट करता, अरे माँ छोड़ दो थोड़ी देर के लिए। यदि इतना ही था तो फिर सबको प्रॉब्लम भी हो रही थी जब वो यहाँ पे है। सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है कि स्कूल में वो रहता है तो उसके बाल हो रहे हैं। ये बात सही है, हर जगह उसके बाल हो रहे हैं, क्या वो सही नहीं है? इसलिए उसको सिर्फ पीछे बांधना आपने शुरू किया। मेरा एक चिल्लाना सब चुप हो गए, हुए कि नहीं? लड़की एकदम चुप, चिन्नी एकदम चुप, टॉमी चुप। आना को गुस्सा आ गया, कुछ नहीं बोलना। नहीं तो वो सिर्फ रीजन ये था कि चुप, और वो चीज सभी के लिए। यदि मैं नहीं करता, और एक है, ये नहीं होती घर में, ये बताओ, हर काम में हर कोई इंटरप्ट करता है, करता है नहीं करता? हर काम में नहीं ऐसे। ये बर्तन उठा के हमारे
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
हाँ
क्लास
आधा जैसा था, हर काम में इंटरप्शन होता है नहीं होता? छोड़ क्यों नहीं देते? चिल्लाना दिखता है, ये नहीं दिखता है। चिल्लाने से अभी रिलेशन खत्म नहीं होता, आज छोड़ के चले नहीं गए, ये नहीं सोच सकते।
Morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yo, how many students have come here? Please put up your videos. Are you all able to look at this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So good morning, everyone here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Only one is saying good morning, others are sleeping. Had your breakfast? Everyone had their breakfast? Yes, start putting up this in your absorb. Start putting up, because I'm not going to wait for anyone here, please. Please understand it.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, absorb. What do you mean by this word? Have you heard this word? Absorb. Have you heard this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes,
2
ma'am.
minutes, please note down.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
like you just tell me that what exactly this means. What do you mean by absorb? Just continue with your audio. I'm just listening. What do you mean by? children, what do you mean by? What do you mean by absorb? Shambhavi, your video. What do you mean by absorb?
To take something in.
To take something in. Yes, Siksha, what do you think?
मैम किसी चीज को सोखना एब्जॉर्ब करना
Okay, okay. Things are taking in what Chirayu has said above. Okay, so like many words are there, especially for absorb. Absorb is not only for taking the water in or somewhat like that. The plants absorb the water. We do use this word. Yes or no? Okay, like the
Yes,
sponge
ma'am.
absorbs the water. Whatever the things is there. Okay, curry or vegetable is absorbing much of oil or something like that. You can use it. Absorb is taking it. But okay, how this word can be used in different ways. Okay, that also is important, that how this can be taken into consideration. Okay, like how absorb can be used in different ways. Okay, so let's see swallowing. Okay, swallowing means here like completely taking into the things. Okay, yes or no? So like
Yes, ma'am.
taking into things. So swallow, how this can be used, like many of the animals, okay, they swallow, okay, the food directly, they don't chew up. It can be used, yes or no? Many of them,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
they simply swallow it, they don't chew it properly. Don't swallow your food, chew it properly. Okay. Drowning is something like that that could be used, okay, like don't drown yourself in a depressed state. Drowning is something like that, sinking in. Yes or no? Another word is sexy here. You can put up another word is sink. Sink can be also used. This is not here given, but sinking, sink, or here is being the suck. Okay. Oh, and here consume. Consumes can also be taken into consideration. Okay, like drown, how can we use it? Drown is can be used as in the terms of absorbing in the negativity sphere. Okay. As such, with
Yes, ma'am.
like don't drown yourself in the depressed state. Are you all noting down the words? Please, I want that you are noting down with the pens how these words can be used in the general narrations. Okay, I have seen many a times that he gets drowned himself in the depressed states. He easily gets into the negativity state. So drown can be used in, it means that he absorbs the negativity spheres. Consume, okay, consume the food as much as like is needed for your body. Don't consume excess. Okay,
Ma'am,
imbibe. Pardon? Yes, yes, yes.
Drone also mean to like sink.
Think, na, actually that is different. But here, how it is used? See, drown is used for like here, he has drowned in water. He has died due
Yes,
to
ma'am.
drowning in the river. Okay, that comes into another
Yes,
way.
ma'am.
But how this drown can be used in the absorb? See here, whenever
Okay,
word
ma'am.
is used, so synonyms are being put up. So you need to understand that how this word can be used in different ways. Are you able to
Yes,
understand?
ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So like drown can be used in this way also. Okay, like
Yes, ma'am.
how drowning here means he drowned, he died due to drowning in the river. He don't know how to swim, so he drowned. That is a general way. But absorbing in that way, how the drown can be used. I have told you that he all the time drowns himself in the negativity or in the depressed states. So that could be used, yes or no? Another one is absorb. Involved can also be put up here.
Yes,
Involved
ma'am.
word is not there, so you can use that involved word. Imbibe, okay, imbibe moral ethics to your children so that they will know good things about life. Yes or no?
Imbibe.
Imbibing
Yes,
is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
taking in, but you tell that in the ethics and morals, values, you have to take in that, because without that there is no social etiquette. Yes or no? You have to survive in the society. You should have the basic
Yes, ma'am.
etiquette. So that is to be imbibed. So you can tell that social ethics had to be imbibed to your children. Yes or no? Engross. He is too much engrossed in
Yes, ma'am.
studies because he is preparing for IAS exams. Engrossed. Involved too much. Okay? So nowadays,
Yes, ma'am.
the children are engrossing themselves in illegal activities more, or in web crimes. Nowadays, youngsters have been engrossed too much in web crimes. Are you noting down? I'm not seeing that anyone is writing in with the pens. I'm giving the meanings how they are being used. Suck, like NP, I don't know what exactly it is, so leave it. Suck can be taken. Okay? Suck can be like something like soaking in, as you told about that, soaking the water. Suck. Okay, like it is also can be used into negative. Don't suck too much of like insults. Okay, sometimes people say that don't suck too much of insults, vomit it. Vomiting means you're like the same thing what you go with is vomit. You vomit the food when you're not feeling well. The same thing can be used up in this sphere also. I've seen that you all the time suck in too much of insults. Do one thing, vomit out. Don't take the insults to your things. So see how the words can be used. Suck can be used in that way. It means that getting absorbed. Engulf is used be put up in that. Engulfed, engross. Even people also used engrave. But okay, we'll use that in the later way. Engulfed when give now the present. You should get engulfed with too much of reasoning and other things so that you can crack the competitive examinations. Engulf yourself with too much of reasoning questions. Involve yourself solving out those reasoning questions so that you can crack any of the competitive examinations. Clear? Yes. See here how this can be like only 6 participants are here today.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Many of them have not joined. Okay, so here, are you all taking interest in this or not? Or simply like that, madam, will like, it's okay, it's going on. You're not interested. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you taking interest?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am,
getting
taking
anything from
interest.
this? These spoken class, are you getting anything from it?
Yes,
You are
ma'am.
coming up with the new words, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very important. Monopolize. Monopolizing is taking the grip into. Entire thing will be monopolized. It means that one person is taking under. But okay, this cannot be taken, but this can be used in another wise. Okay, he has monopolized the entire market, having the control and absorbing the things. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, fine. Monopolizing is having control over, but that could be used at, but it means that he has absorbed the entire strategy of market. See how differently in different spheres the word can be used. So you should be knowing about. See here, I don't have anything in my hands here. Simply by looking at those words, I'm simply telling about that how the sentences are framed. Yes or no? So this grip you should have on English. Got it? Then only you'll be mastered. Wherever you go, you will be mastered with that. Okay, how the words are being used, how
Yes,
the
ma'am.
different idiomatic expressions can be used, how I can be like involved too much. So if you are getting involved in meetings, board meetings, or if, for example, if English doesn't come in between, you cannot survive anywhere. Whether it's of medical, whether it's of science, whether it's of computer, you will be managing director, you will be like a director, or you will be the chairman, you will be holding a company, you will be having the things. But if you are involved in board of directors, wherever, you should have the knowledge and command over that, where these idiomatic expressions, where these wonderful words can be used, how I can put up these things so that I will have the command over my employees, others will listen to me, other workers will be in the grip of me. I'll be knowing the entire thing. Okay, I'll be in the globalization part. Anything will come onto me, then I'll be able to understand the things and follow the techniques. Yes or no? So these things are a must. It's not like that simply that's why I told about in happy, sad, sorrow, surprise.
Yes,
There are
ma'am.
so many things of expressions. So these are only the expressions where you will be coming up with the things. Okay. Exhaust can be used. How the exhaust can be used? Anyone has an idea about that? The absorb is something like that you are taking into too much things. Exhausting is getting tired. Yes or no? I'm exhausted with too much of work. How this can be used in absorb? Exhaust can be used with adding
He
one more word
exhausted
of
the.
absorb to that.
He exhausted today's data.
He exhausted today's data. That's what you said, na? Can this be used in this way? He exhausted himself by
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
involved in too much other activities. But means he is not only exhausted because of too much he has absorbed. Yes or no? See, take it into another way. Tiredness is something like that. Too much of
Yes, ma'am.
thing has been tired. Why too much of thing? Too much of thing has been absorbed into him. Are you getting? So that's why physically he's been strained, mentally he's been strained. Yes or no? So that could be used in
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Yes? Shall I proceed?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, we'll
Yes,
go
ma'am.
with this abrupt. Abrupt we have done yesterday. I think so we have done this. Abrupt has been done. So we'll go with some other one.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll go with the food synonyms. See, food, like not synonyms. I'm talking about idiomatic phrases. Sorry. See, that day we discussed about color. Yes or no? So many colors can be used. See how the food word can be used in the idiomatic expressions.
Yes, ma'am.
You heard about apple of somebody's eye. Okay. Neha is the apple of my eye. It means that the other person likes her very much. Okay. Like some teachers love some of the students very because of their studiousness, because of their too much of obedientness. So some teachers usually like the students. So like Neha is the apple of my eye. It means that they're very close. Okay, apple of somebody's eye. Okay, all one's eggs in one basket. Actually, you are like investing in one area, everything. Okay, like don't put all eggs in one basket. Okay, start giving your ideas or start putting up your skills in multiple areas. Okay, instead of putting all eggs in one basket, you have to try in many areas. Yes or no? Little bit you should be multi-talented, especially in these days. Yes? Yes or no? So all eggs in one basket means you have invested heavily in one area only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For example, if you are a good businessman, you try your hands in multiple ways, like to expand your business sector. Okay, so instead of trying yourself in all eggs in one basket, you have to go within the multiple areas. So that could be used in this way. Above this salt, usually this is a phrasal verb. Actually, this has come in origin in medieval times. Usually, those times gathering of salt is very difficult. Nowadays, it's you go with this machine process. But that day, gathering the salt and eating the salt is very big thing. If anybody is having the salt, it means that using the salt, it means that he's a very rich person. He's been considered into a rich family. So like he's above the salt. It means that they are of high honor or respect. Yes. Okay, understood. But nowadays it is not used, but you should know about it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And now about as useful as chocolate, as a chocolate teapot. Okay, it is that totally useless. Totally useless, something like that. Like there is no teapot. Teapot involves only tea leaves and other things. If chocolate has been, it means that you are making everything in a rubbish way. It is useless. Okay, in that way it could be used. Another one is there at the end, bad egg. If you can see somewhere else, bad egg, or if it is there. Okay, I'll see it. Another one, see, banana republic. Okay, usually which is having a dictatorial government is called as a banana republic, where one person can.
Ma'am, republic or republic?
Usually it's a republic. It's been republic. It is. It's been misspelled. Okay, it's banana republic. Okay, actually this is something like that. It is a dictatorial government. Okay, where concentration is done in one area. Okay, if it is a small country like Germany, Hitler has a command over it, so he ran banana republic. Okay, Hitler ran a banana republic. Okay, and bear fruits here. Bear fruit means now you toil very hard, like you will be bearing the fruits later on. Bearing the fruit means you will have the results, good results later on. Sometimes it would be used in the negative ways also. Whatever you are doing the ill deeds today, okay, you will bear the fruits later on. Okay, understood? So it could be used in both the ways. Usually, but it comes in the successful results only. Okay,
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
toiling very hard for the 10th class now. You'll be bearing the good fruit, okay, later on. Yes? Understood?
Yes.
Now below the salt. Okay,
Yes,
I told
ma'am.
yesterday that only. Above
Yes,
the
ma'am.
salt. Above the salt means here the persons who are going on with the honor. Okay, don't talk to him or otherwise don't involve him in his business. He's below the salt. Okay? Understood? I told you above the salt means having the good honor and respect. Below the salt means having low
Yes,
honor.
ma'am.
Okay? Okay, Big Apple is nothing but it's another name for New York City.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? And bring home the bacon. Bacon is usually a non-veg dish. Okay, if making the bacon in the barbecues or something like that, it's something like a healthy treat in the olden days. So, like if you're coming up with a good job, so he has brought the bacon home. It means that he has brought the good money. Yes or no? He has brought the bacon
Earn
home.
money.
It means that earning money. Okay. After joining in this job,
Yes,
after
ma'am.
joining in this business, he has brought a bacon home. That means that he has brought a good prosperity. Fine. These are the food terms. Okay, carrot and stick. Why Siksha
Yes, ma'am.
is like unstable with the network? Siksha is having some issues. Carrot and stick. Okay, carrot and stick. Carrot is something like that, having a good thing treat. Okay, and stick is something involved with the punishment. Don't involve in that project. It is something I'm thinking about. It's carrot and stick. It means that it is offering you something, but something is there behind. Tricky thing which you cannot understand. Okay. As such, an offer involved giving reward, but it is countered by the punishment also. And punishment, you don't know about that punishment. So carrot
Yes,
and
ma'am.
stick. Don't get involved in that project. I'm having something people usually say that suspicious or something like fishy. Fishy is suspicious. As I'm using this word fishy, fishy is suspicious. So don't involve in that project. I might think about that. It is something like a carrot and stick. Okay? Understanding? See, and now coming to the chew the cud.
Yes, ma'am.
Chewing
Yes,
the cud,
ma'am.
you know, have you seen
Yes,
the
ma'am.
buffaloes
Yes,
and cows and other, like they sit and the stray animals sit in the middle of the road and they simply, they cut. Yes or no? They simply ruminate the whatever the fodder they have taken. Huh? So simply
Yes,
whatever they
ma'am.
have taken, they chew the cud. It means that they
Yes,
are in, usually use the word like when you are in deep meditation and deep thoughts. Okay, I don't know what he does all the time. And whenever I see him, he chew the cuds. He's in deep thought. Somewhere else, if you are in deep thought, you're pondering something, it means that you are involved something else. People also say that he always he's in the meditation. It means that he's in the deep thoughts. Okay? Fine? Chewing the cud, it means that usually
Ma'am,
he's
what is meant by
meditating
fishy
something,
business?
he's involved in something, okay? Great involvement. You're thinking something about in deep matters. Okay? Okay, chewing the fat means simply...
Ma'am, what is meant by fishy business? Ma'am, fishy business.
Fishy business. Fishy is suspicious. Okay, fishy is suspicious. Okay, chew the
Yes,
fat.
ma'am.
It means
Yes,
that you usually you remove the excess fat. But if you're chewing the fat means you're doing something useless thing. You're wasting the fat. Okay, so if you're playing too much with the mobile, you're
Yes,
chewing the
ma'am.
fat. Usually wasting. Okay, and it's not wasting with the people, it's wasting with the gadgets also. Can be used. Chewing the fat means if you're if he's your friend, okay, and if your time is being wasted in this way, it's mean that you are simply chewing the fat. You're wasting the time. Don't chew the fat regularly, as your time is very precious, I think. 10th class is very precious. I think that you should not chew the fat. Okay? You should utilize
Yes,
your time properly. You can
Yes,
use
ma'am.
in these ways. Okay, like I like him very much because he's as cool as cucumber. He's very quite calm, polite. Okay, he's composed. Okay, so use the word as cool. Okay, he's never been like a fathead. He's never been like. Okay, so he's very cool as cucumber. He's very calm and polite. Gagan is very cool. Okay, yes. Gagan,
Yes, ma'am.
are you very cool as cucumber?
Yes.
Okay, don't be like a couch potato. Be energetic. Lazy person. Cream of the crop. Okay, people usually say that cream of the crop is the best thing about anything. Okay, like this time 10th has got many of the people, students having the cream of the crop. It means that many of the students are very studious and we can get the good results. Cream of the crop. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Praise comes with the means the best of all. Anything. Eating humble pie, it's very like he has not written everything completely. Eating humble pie, usually bearing the insult. One more thing he has written: admit that you were wrong, but to be frank, add one more line here. Please note down here. Add another line. Eating humble pie means usually bearing the insults. Okay, like whenever
Yes,
I go
ma'am.
into the boss cabin, or whenever I go into the boss cabin, I have to eat humble pies. Usually that is used for that, but he is used when you admit that you are wrong. Okay, in that case also you can be used that whenever like I am with the friends, or like if anything goes, simply think, so I eat the humble pie. It means that I admit that whatever I say, any wrong deeds come, like I admit that I've done wrong. So I eat the humble pie. Okay? Yes? Noting down? So now here eye
Yes,
candy.
ma'am.
What do you mean by eye candy? Eye
Yes,
candy
ma'am.
is something like that, having a very good visual appeal. Having good, attractive, he's very attractive person. You can use that when like, he's like eye candy, you know. It means that every person looks at him or her. My running time is over. Again, it's upgrading. If meeting will end in 10 minutes, I'll just we'll just again sign in. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Like eye candy. See, eye candy means having a very good visual appeal. Okay. So he's very he's like eye candy. Okay, food for thought. Like usually reading books are food for my thoughts. This is very important. I use this whenever I teach. No, I use this word. If you can observe me, people do observe me. Like if I use many a times this word. Like reading books are like really food for my thoughts. Like as much as you like read books, they are like food for me, which really enlarge my mindset, which really open up my mind in sharing the views and thoughts with my students. So reading books, or otherwise you can say that viewing reading GK books or somewhat like that, getting involved in the solving these things are food of my thoughts. So how your thoughts are get nourished because of this books, because of the other things. So food for my thoughts, it means that you're getting involved with one of the thing, and that is food for your thought. It could be reading books, it could be watching very good uh, like channels, like which really mm, engross your make you engross in that. Okay, see how you use this word engross means making you involved. Yes or no? Okay, forbidden
Yes,
fruit,
ma'am.
which is like which is not good and which gives you but something desired, but it is not good. Okay, something you desire, it gives you pleasure. That could be used for drinking or too much of smoking or drug consumptions. Okay, which is in another way, it's forbidden fruit. Okay, this has been taken from the Bible. Like
Yes,
when
ma'am.
Adam and Eve come, okay, when they were in heaven, then Christ has told about that this apple is a forbidden fruit. So you're not supposed to consume it. But Satan disguises himself, okay, and tells Eve to consume that fruit. That is forbidden fruit. Means God has not involved, because after eating that fruit only they started understanding that they are naked and they should be covered themselves. They started involving themselves in problems. They started having uh, uh, you can say that to be get involved in other activities. Okay, and they started having hungry. Okay, they started feeling hungry. Okay, so forbidden is something like that you want to have it, but it is not good. That's why after that Jesus Christ has like he has forbidden that fruit, and he has told that uh, Adam and Eve can leave the heaven forever. That is what the story of Bible says. Okay, so like forbidden is something like that you want to have it, but it's not good. Okay, get
Yes,
out
ma'am.
of a
Yes,
jam.
ma'am.
Jam means here put that jam. Okay, or in a bad situation. Okay, who really like coming out of that island is something like that. It's or any situation. Okay, coming out of that, it's something like that, getting out of the jam. Where you're stuck up. Where you're stuck up. Okay, and you want to come out of that. Anything, any bad situation can be involved. Fine?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubts?
No, ma'am.
Hot potato. Like a problem which nobody wants to get into associated with. Okay, hot potato. Okay, it's something like that. It's very like the thing is, it's very awkward, and even it's a delicate, sensitive problem. You doesn't want to get involved into that. Okay, you can go with any of the situations. Like getting involved in the husband and wife fights is something like that, being in a hot potato, because later on husband and wife will be okay with them themselves. Whosoever get involved in that, they will be bad. Yes or no? So getting involved into the husband and wife fights is something like that, like hot potato situation. Okay, I'll explain everything in a nutshell. Nutshell means briefing something in a summary.
So,
Summing up. Okay, in a
yes,
nutshell.
ma'am.
Nutshell है वो, शील नहीं है वो. Wrong, it has been written. In a nutshell. SHELL it is. In a nutshell. It's not shield. Into a jam. Into a jam means, that's why I said that, into a jam or out of the jam. Into a jam means into a difficult situation. Out of the jam means you want to come out of that situation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalk and cheese, something like that. Usually people are talking about in that way. In our local regional language also, there is one saying. Like in older times, you have salt, you have rock salt. It looks like a karpoor, you know. You know karpoor? Camphor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
karpoor and salt
Yes,
look
ma'am.
same, similar, but they are very different in their applications. Similarly, chalk and cheese sticks are there. So they look similar, but they are very different. Superficially, they are alike, but color, okay, if cheese sticks are there, they also look like chalk sticks. They're superficially alike, but they are very different. Unless you get into involved in, when you taste it, then only you will be understanding what is in that way. So similarly, you can use this when people look same. The twins look same, but they are like chalk and cheese. But that when they look same, but their activities are very different. They are very in a different mode. Their behavior is different. They're superficially alike, but they are different. In that situations, you can use it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Low hanging fruit. Okay, easily achieved or obtained, but low hanging fruit, but it says that is not of value. If any fruit is hanged very low, now people say that it's very easily to be achieved. In the other cases, something like that, people give less importance to it because it's a low hanging. No, you can easily go and have it. Yes.
Ma'am, we can also use high hanging fruit.
High hanging fruit like grapes are always sour. That's when you have heard about that, the fox and the grape story. If you don't reach the grapes,
Yes,
the grapes are always sour. That is also there, which you cannot achieve. Something you feel that it's okay, leave it. It's sour only. The grapes are sour. Where doesn't? Low hanging fruits is something like that, easily obtained. And sometimes easily obtained also can be used. Sometimes they are valueless also. Here it's not been given, but really it is in other cases it is there, because I have used this many times. My teacher also has told.
Yes.
In that way that could be used. Okay, separate the wheat from the chaff. I think so. See, separate the wheat from the chaff.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
means that you are separating things of value from the things of no value. Like for example, how you are like he's very good student. Okay, we need to like his bad behavior, little bit of bad behavior is there. It's something like that, separating the wheat from the chaff. So we need to very much take care of his behavior. We need to get involved ourselves. We need to counsel him. In that counseling only, it's something like that. It is separating the wheat from the chaff. So we have to be very careful in separating, because we want the child, but his behavior is very bad. We have to separate his